Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Danby brand dishwasher and you want to do a reset on it because it's acting funny. There's two ways to do this. Maybe you're getting some error codes or whatever and you just want to do a hard reset. So on the Danby dishwashers, right inside behind where the dishwasher locks, there's a reset button. And what you want to do is just press and hold that reset button for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, it will go through its reset cycle. Now, if it doesn't light up and go through its reset cycle, then you can also do it on a Danby like anything else. You can do it the old-fashioned way, which is just to make sure it's turned off and then unplug it from the wall, or if you can't access the plug, turn it off at the circuit and leave it disconnected from power for at least a minute. And the longer the better. And then once you turn it back on, it will be reset. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.